Hey there, I'm Autumn, a food blogger over at fourseasonsofautumn.com. I'm all about healthy recipes, pretty food that tastes even better. I recently returned from Florida. I had some delicious crab cakes there, so I really have a taste for them. Let's get started. I have all my ingredients ready to go. It's going to make this dish really easy. It's going to come together quickly. I have 2 bowls here. I'm going to separate the crab and the breadcrumbs from the wet ingredients. As the crab cakes are cooking on the stove, let's prepare the dipping sauce. Here we go, delicious and beautiful crab cakes and a super easy dipping sauce. Head over to fourseasonsofautumn.com for the full recipe and many more. Have a great day.